Alright guys, it's been a little bit since I made a video, but here we have a 1956 VW Beetle, and I just finished painting it actually yesterday. So it came out pretty good. I just shot it right out here, right in the lot. So I got a few bugs, but probably buff those out, so not too worried about it. So yeah, I love this color. It's l41black. So happy with how the dash turned out. I didn't get any runs, so again, I'm really happy with how that turned out. Looking forward to getting it put back together. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.